Shooting your first wedding. From Susan Taylor Photography. Video 4. Preparation visit to the bride's home. On the wedding day, having time to fit in all your work is a constant pressure. Time wasted trying to work out where you should be is time when you're not taking pictures. Advance visits to your working locations will definitely save you time on the day. If you've been asked to take pictures of the bride getting ready at home, you'll see just how helpful a visit is. Here's what a planning visit will help you sort out. Are you going to the right house? You may well have visited the couple in the home they already share, but for the wedding day, brides often decide to get ready at the home of other family members. Check your notes to be sure. You'll find the exact location of the house from the address you were given. A sat-nav may not be accurate enough on the day. The house could be on a long road in the middle of a large and complicated housing estate. Or, it could be in a very exclusive area where the roads have names but none of the houses has a number. Just a name. How long will it take you to get there from your home on the wedding morning? That will tell you what time you will have to leave home. Is there space to park? If the house you're working in is in the middle of a very busy area, you may need a parking permit. There won't be time to sort that out on the wedding day morning. Remember not to be too early. As you know the time of the ceremony, you should be able to work out how long you have to capture images there. Important note. If you are working alone, there will be no time to travel to the groom's house to take pictures there as well. Next, it's time to see why an early visit to the celebration venue is so helpful. Watch Video 5, Preparation for Photography, Visiting the Celebration Venue. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to ring the bell for notifications. Or if you find the video helpful, you could even buy me a coffee. Just use the links below.